Most homeowners think getting a perfect lawn is about luck or expensive services. But it's actually a science. Today, we're opening the Lawn Secret Lab to show you the 3 specific steps to fix your patchy grass and get that deep green color without spending a fortune on a pro. Step 1. The foundation, aeration, and soil. The first secret? Your grass needs to breathe. If your soil is hard as a rock, water and nutrients can't reach the roots. This is where you need to aerate your lawn. It breaks up compaction and allows your fertilizer to actually do its job. If you've been wondering why your grass is thinning, compaction is usually the silent killer. Step 2. The thicken fast protocol, overseeding. To thicken grass fast, you have to overseed. But don't just throw seeds and hope for the best. You need to fix those patchy spots by clearing out dead debris first. In the lab, we recommend high-quality seed blends that match your local climate. Pair this with a proper lawn watering tip. Water light and frequent for new seeds, then deep and infrequent once they're established. Step 3. The secret schedule, fertilizing and mowing. Finally, you need a fertilized lawn schedule. Most people over-fertilize in the heat of summer, which actually burns the grass. Instead, follow a low and slow approach. And here is the pro tip. Mow properly. Never take off more than 1/3 of the grass blade at once. Keeping it a bit taller shades the soil and prevents weeds from ever germinating. Lawn care doesn't have to be a mystery. Follow these steps, and you'll be living the lawn life in no time. For more experiments and secrets, hit that subscribe button and join the Lawn Secret Lab. Let's grow something great together.